Hello and welcome to another VRTK tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be going through how to get Oculus Avatar set up. In the previous video I showed how to get the Oculus SDK working in one of the example scenes. We were in the basic teleport example scene, and we can see we've got the OVR camera rig. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to import the Oculus Avatar package and we'll get that working as well. So the first thing we need to do is download the Oculus Avatar package. Again, if we go to developer3.oculus.com/downloads, and if you find the Oculus Avatar SDK, which is here, and we will download that, and we'll save that to the desktop somewhere. And once that's downloaded, we'll just go to the desktop and we'll extract the folder from the zip file. And once that folder is extracted, inside there will be a Unity folder, and inside that will be the Unity package that we require. So if we go back into our Unity editor, and again we import that asset, so import package, custom package, and then if we go to that folder that we just downloaded, so the OVR Avatar SDK, and then inside Unity we've got the OVR Avatar.Unity package. So if we install that and click import, and once that's imported, you'll have the OVR Avatar folder down the bottom, and inside content we'll have a prefabs folder, and inside there we'll have the local and remote avatar. We're just going to use the local avatar, and all you need to do is drag and drop that into your scene, and VRTK will now know to link that up to the camera rig and move it around accordingly with it. So we don't need to change anything in here, other than we want to select start with controllers, so we can actually see the game controllers. And if you don't want the hands to show up, you just want controllers to show up, similar to Steam VR, the way you can do that is if you just select the hand objects and just disable them, we'll only now get controller objects. If you want the hand objects as well, you can select them. If you just want to see the hand objects, you can untick the start with controllers. And then the other thing in the VRTK SDK manager now, because we have model aliases, if we click auto populate, it'll actually go and find us the controller left and the controller right model alias, because VRTK knows about Oculus Avatar, and it will be able to look those up for us. So we've got everything we need now in the scene to use Oculus Avatar. So if we run it, what will happen is we will get this error message saying no Oculus Rift App ID has been provided, and the reason for that is when you're using Oculus Avatars you need to give it an Oculus App ID. So if you go to the Oculus Avatars menu and click Edit Configuration, you'll see you need to give it an Oculus Rift App ID, and you get that from being an Oculus developer. So again, if you go to your Oculus developers page and you've signed in, and if you click Publish, and then if you click upload and manage apps, when you get in you will be able to create a new app. I've already got an app here, so we're just going to go into edit details, and what we need to do is get that app ID. So if we click edit details, this gives us all the details about that app, and all we want to do is go into API, and as we can see here we've got an app ID. I've obviously got it obfuscated in this video, but if you create your own app, you'll have an app ID. So if you want to copy that, and then we can close this down, and then here we want to just paste that app ID in. And now when we run the scene, we'll no longer get that error message, and we will see the Oculus Avatar in game. So let's jump into the scene and see what that looks like. One thing you may get when trying to jump into the scene is you'll run it and you'll get this error message here saying it can't get a specific callback from the user ID. If you do get that, all you need to do is close down Unity and reopen it again, and that message should go away. So as you can see now, we're in the teleport scene again, and it's using Oculus Avatar to give us the controllers. So, and they're completely animated, as you can see here. We get full animation on these buttons, exactly the same as the Steam VR ones. And again, we can teleport around. And that's as simple as it is to get Oculus Avatar running with VRTK. I hope that's been helpful. If it has, please leave some likes, comments and subscribe to the channel, and I will be back in the future with some more videos. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.